Hi guys, Paul Dexter here, an update for you. Hey, first is a bit of news and a celebration for Jetbuilt as we've been selected as a finalist in the AV Awards taking place in London on November 3rd. And we're very excited for that. And it's such a huge honor, which is really a reflection of you guys that are using Jetbuilt every day to increase the speed of your workflow. That's clearly been recognized. In particular, it's our bridging the silos functionality that's being recognized, connecting end users and integrators and manufacturers, distributors and consultants, all to increase not only the speed of the workflow on a project, but to make the project better. My feeling is that we're all doing this to make the best possible project, and that can best happen when communication flows a little faster and more free. So we'll see how Jetbuilt does on November 3rd. I'm pretty comfortable losing awards. I lost a Grammy many years ago, and maybe that'll be my trend. We'll see how it goes, but we're pretty hopeful and excited. The next thing is market segments. Jetbuilt has now launched the ability for you to create your market segments that you perform your work in. These are industry standard segments such as hospitality, corporate, venues, residential. You can build custom names, but you can also build subcategories of those segments. In the next couple of weeks, you're going to see areas where you can use these. We're going to give you reports where you can see how you're doing across these multiple segments. See on your dashboard how you can see how many projects you have within each segment. Also, Jetbuilt will be participating in NSCA's Pivot to Profit next week. Okay, buddy, just relax. There's a dog. We'll look forward to seeing you there. Matthew and Tom will be there to chat with all you folks. Another thing we're launching, I believe next week, will be bulk editing of project lists. This has been a big request from you guys. There'll be an edit button on the bottom, and you'll be able to pull down and select new project owner, project manager, engineer. So look forward to that. I will let you know when that's live. Okay, we've had our fill of the park. We're going to head back. Once again, thank you for using Jetbuilt. I will keep these updates coming. Until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.